Yes. At first we need an imprint in the game, because it will act as a website, and to be legally correct we have also add the imprint. So vim source imprint .fob. Let's say easy menu, imprint impressum will lead to fob index imprint action. Easy menu icon. Now let's search for a material icon. For instance, like a book, library books. Library books, and class method access public, fob index imprint action, so everyone can see the imprint. Class static method fob index imprint action. Now we also need a access, easy menu access, user always, so it will always be shown even if I'm not logged in, and class class method code HTML fob index imprint action main will be our imprint content. So now we have to create the imprint layout. You see file imprint impressum easy content imprint 0 will have our imprint. Let's just take the one from my company website. Okay. Let's copy it from my website. And adjust some values. Okay, let's test the whole thing. And now we have Imprint Impressum. Okay, there we have it. And if I log out, yes, now we should add it as a last item in the menu. So easy menu order. Things easy to layout. Easy layout. Easy menu order. Imprint Impressum will be on the last position. So it's at the last position, and now let's test it. Status git add source imprint git commit fix 13 imprint. And next I want to have a public list of our top 5 players with their maximum income. So source imprint vim source top5.fob. We can like copy the whole thing here. But it's no, it's a data view reminder. It's not a data view reminder. It's a top 5 list. Top 5. It will call tables user top 5 action. Now find an icon again. Let's find as an icon for sports, for poll. Okay, poll. Take the poll icon. Top 5 is a poll icon. Top 5 user always, and top 5 is on position, let's say 1. Okay, so tables user top 5 action is also public. Tables user top 5 action. Then tables user top 5 action. Main will show top 5, and our file top 5 will have the title top 5, and we have a data view, class, easy content data view top 5 will show our data view called top 5. Then we have a data view top 5, which will show the SQL query top 5. We have a data view column, top 5. So now let's take a look into user. I want to show username and income and avatar. So avatar, username and income. Okay. Now now we have to write the SQL query. SQL query top 5. SQL query from top 5 will fetch from user. SQL query select. Top 5 will select avatar, username and income. Income is now it will query from user and country. So we have to select avatar as user dot avatar, then the username is user dot username, and the income is the country income, but is the sum of the whole thing. So SQL query where we have to join the whole query. So join condition is user dot id is country dot owner, and we have the SQL query group top 5. Now I have to cheat a little bit for SQL query order SQL. So SQL query order is top 5. Income descending. Let's hope that works. Let's better Google for it. MySQL order by aggregate. How to order by sum. Okay, I will have to order by field name. Understood. Okay. Group. Now, how does group look like? Okay. Group by user.id. That should it be the whole thing. Easy content data view should have 3 parameters. So I have to add this parameter. Now, we have a top 5 list. And the order did not really work. It did not really work. 14, 12, 18, it's not ordered. It's not ordered. Ah, I know. We can say data view default order. Data view default order top 5 will be ordered by income desk. So we show the best players first. And there we have our top 5 list. Yes, the first player has 18 credits per day, the second 14, 12 and 0. Okay. Of course there's no interaction, and so there we have our top 5 list. Cool. If I log out, it should also be visible. Yes. It is not visible. I have to add all columns. I have to add data view column access top 5 avatar user always avatar username and income. My countries should be hidden. So in top 5 now I see the list of all players. And now I want to hide my countries. It's in source country. My countries, yes. Data view reminder access country. My will only show up if user has a login. I should maybe add a new window, terminal, new window, detach it, yes, put it there, and I can do the make here. And let it stay on top. So I can always have my compilation window here. And also add it also to the that was the wrong window. Okay. Now, yes, this is how I want it. Okay. If I'm a guest now, I can see top 5, user login and imprint. Okay. That's so far. Get status. Add source top 5. And I resolved issue number 12, top 5 players. Okay. Log in again and see what we can do next. If I'm looking at a battle, I want to have the resources, so the player have to decide which soldier is fighting on which side. If I look into the battle, I will see the list of soldiers involved. Now this list has to be copied to our battle view, and then there has to be an auction. So how do we do it? We have to have a kind of list to show which soldier is fighting on which side. So let's go to the UML chart. Attack, country, battle. There we have our battle soldier. And now we have our attack soldier. At first, our battle soldiers should have additional attributes like weapon, battle. Yes. Now a weapon can be either a single shot or an automatic rifle. Yes, let's stay with these two kinds of weapons. Battle soldier will have a weapon. And now an attack soldier attack soldier. Do not show table in tables menu, of course. Do not propose open. Same, of course, holds for battle soldier. Do not propose open. Now, where is our attack soldier now? attack soldier at 400, 0. Here we have our attack soldier. So an attack soldier will combine a battle soldier in an attack. So we have an attack. We don't have the attack drop-down data type yet. So attack, the description will be the owner. So user description owner, attack defender, country, other, description, defender. Okay, let's restructure it. So our country my description of attacker versus country other description defender by user description owner. Yes, this is our attack data type. So an attack soldier will involve an attack and a battle soldier. Now let's take a look if our battle soldier already has a type. It does not. So a battle soldier will be described by user. So user description of user in, and now battle user battle, now battle description of our battle with, and now we put our weapon there, weapon description weapon, weapon description weapon, blah, blah, blah. That's our web battle soldier data type. Now an attack soldier will be an attack with a soldier battle soldier. And now hired by will be a user, so either the attacker or the defender. And the salary will be a money data type. So this is a soldier involved in an attack. Now let's optimize the battle soldier. Will have a sublist. Involved in attack. Then user should also have a user null, like user country owner. So add some null types. User null. User, when a user acts as a bidder, no one. Let's call it user null. User null, no one. So if a soldier is hired by no one, okay. Now an attack soldier is hired by user null. The dropdown doesn't work yet. Let's create an issue for that. Yes. So an attack, that soldier hired by salary. The attack will also have a list of soldiers. List column reference, attack soldiers. Do not show create buttons. Yes. Well, okay. Visibility DSL. Okay. Let's test it out. Okay, there's an error. Input field is modus attack. Modus string is not generated because I think Dropdown data type int does not have a description wrapper yet. Grab description in FOB backends easy editor. Data types dropdown. And yes, there is no integer value yet. Property. Expression property. So the property system. So the problem that we face now is that we have a attack data type. So attack, and the attack is described by user description. No, attack input field is not created. The DSL parser type battle soldier, and yes, battle soldier. The problem is with the data type battle soldier. So let's take a look into our battle soldier. User description user in and so on, and there we have our width and our weapon description. So the problem is a weapon description does not have this property description because we did not implement it yet. So let's change that, at least a little bit hacky, but okay. Tab a description for backends easy to store data types, drop down integer, int description. No, let's open int directly. Okay. If there is a expression property, so if there is a drop-down data type int, and a expression property of the same type. So if there's a property, so if there's a type description with a drop-down data type int, then we want to compile it like expression DSL ID and to do. Let's hack it this way. Still an error. User in, still the battle soldier problem. So source battle, drop down data type table. This is the problem. Drop down data type int type, then there's also a data type property description. Oh, yes. Description, weapon description. What if we leave out the weapon description? Will it build then? No. So the problem is not our battle description. It's something else. Oh, it is the same thing. So let's do it systematically. We have let's comment this out and just leave the weapon out for the moment. So the next error message is with something like country my attacker. This is the attack, so an attack is country my. No, it's not an attack, it's also in battle. Grab country my in source. So attack, yes. This is our attack code. Country which line is it? It's in line 3. This is the evil line. Country my description attacker versus country other description defender by user description owner. The error log says parse error. Description. Let's test to replace like everything with ID. So again, copy, comment, and insert our ID here. Okay, still some errors. DSL parse. Type battle soldier. User description, user in, and so on. Isn't this our battle code? Yes. Let's just insert the ID here and see what it brings. Okay, this kind of compiles. So attack 31. Okay, now the attack localhost test to DB check. So let's upgrade the database. And there we have our attack soldiers, like in attack 31, choose soldier 4, hired by, yes, this should be me, and the salary is like 5. create. So okay, next term is to repair our numbers, so, to turn them back to descriptions. I know what went wrong. Of course, I cannot write user because it then asks for a user column. I instead have to use user and backticks. Nine, 10, 11, and go. Missing require fact. Weapon description. Oh, that's not nice. Weapons, of course, don't have to. If there's a drop-down data type table, I should not make the drop-down data type table mandatory, because integers can also have a description, like we see in this case. So it's compiling. There we have it. So our soldier is fib in blah 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 with to do. I think we can leave out. I think we can leave out the battle, because it's always the same inside a battle. So a battle soldier will have. Let's make a second type. Battle soldier battle, which will not display our battle. And with weapon I can also write weapon is 2, then is 1, then I will display single shot, and otherwise weapon is 2. I will say automatic rifle, and otherwise I say unknown. Unknown should never occur. Now our soldier battle, soldier battle. In an attack we have a battle soldier battle. So as battle soldier in a battle context. For some reason we also reduced the attack description here. And now we know the reason why it didn't work, so we have to do backticks around the user. There our compilation is finished, and we have an error here. This input field battle soldier battle mode string was not generated. Parse error. Yeah, weapon. In DSL parse. Okay. Weapon. We forgot to close our parentheses. Let's take a look at the div. We created attack soldiers, which are like a mapping from an attack to a battle soldier. Now it compiled very fine. We have a list of battles of soldiers in an attack and so on, and now we can view the whole thing. Yes, view revolution by versus Schurgeswalde by admin. Great. Then it's place in battle and fib with unknown, and fib, in this case fib should have like an automatic rifle. Okay. Now look at this. Fib with automatic rifle, hired by fib, and salary is 5 credits. Now let's do a commit. Git status, git commit everything. Started work on soldiers auction. Later, the attack soldier list should be like a completely different data view. But before we have to do this, there should be we have to build up the attack soldier list synchronous to the battle soldier list. So every battle soldier must become a attack soldier. This is created by a table mirror. Very complicated feature. And I think we can leave this as to do for tomorrow. So I thank you for watching and say bye bye.